checking out Changsha. Goddamn, it's cool. Changsha got style. China got it, baby. Cha-cha Changsha. Checking out Changsha. Checking it all out. Checking, just checking. Checking out Changsha.
So we're in Changsha. We're going to be walking down this main pedestrian street all the way down this way, and we're going to just kind of show you. Got some musicians here, got some people hanging out, not too far from the train station. Got some nice lights going on that way. You walk over that way briefly. Yeah, it's nice. Okay, let me. Lots of people watching me, so I guess they're quite friendly though. Okay, let's walk down the street for a little bit, show you what it looks like on a Sunday night. Okay, Changsha, China, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And we are going to show you the main street at nighttime. It's a Sunday night, and you can get a feel as if you were there yourself. Let's go, Changsha, China. Okay, let's walk down that way. Capture that a little bit. I got some statues here. This is a nice walking street. There's a lot of interesting stuff around. This city is going to be quite a bit more interesting than I thought. A lot more interesting than I thought. I've seen some different walking streets. I was just in Shenzhen, but this one is more interesting to me. It's just more, well, I don't know, I don't know the one in Shenzhen that well, but I've seen different ones in different cities, including Wuhan and Chengdu and Chongqing, and I'm just saying I like this one. It's cool. Okay. These things I kind of see throughout a lot of cities in China. They have these statues. I'm gonna keep on walking down. Got lots of interesting stuff down the side streets. Some really interesting stuff. So if you saw my last video, which would be in the thumbnail at the end of this video, I just came off the train station and I was looking for my hotel, and I kind of got into these really cool alleys everywhere, and I did not expect that at all. And so I got a pretty good taste already of how interesting this is, and then now I found out my hotel is somewhere on the street. We're going to try to find it. As an aside, it's Sunday night and it's raining, and I heard this is a 24-hour city, but I was thinking maybe on weekends. But actually I see activity on a rainy Sunday evening just quite a bit as well. And I'm trying to capture it a little bit before it gets too dark to film. It's funny, I think I was coming out of the station and I got totally turned around. Launching Square Station. Okay, so we gotta find my hotel. This might be a challenge as well, since I'm kind of filming at the same time. Let's go into the people a little bit so you can see what it looks like when I go directly towards faces. But yeah, this is I'll be able to understand the city more. I just arrived on even my second video within the first hour of arriving out of the station, out of the metro, out of the train station to the metro to here, and I'm still looking for my hotel. And I have a feeling I might have passed it, so I might have to turn the camera off, but I think I'm just going to go down to the end of the street and just try to capture the whole nuance of this one while we have this nice lighting. Yeah, Changsha, if you don't know, it's known as a 24-hour city with a lot of nighttime activity. And when I came in off the train station, it didn't take very long for me to get here. And I was kind of surprised because the city has a lot of people, but it seems like I think I came in near here. When I came off the station, I got totally lost. Anyways, oh, that's a later I'll be able to capture more stuff once I check in my hotel and get a little bit situated. But yeah, that's crazy. I came in off the hotel and I was coming down here, and then I went down the wrong street. When you're using maps in China, it gets all messed up because if you want it in English, you have to there's Apple Maps. Google Maps does not work at all. Apple Maps does work, but it's like not a very good system. It doesn't really navigate you at all very well compared to Google Maps. So I was using, just now I use the Chinese one, Didi, which is for taxi drivers. Anyways, let's find my hotel, check in, and then we can do this properly and show you what it's all about. So a little taste of Changsha for you anyways. On Sunday night at about 6:30.